And thank you for joining me today. My name is Wendy Lee, and you can find me at CreativeLeeYours.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in the US and excited to be sharing a little sneak peek with you today. So, what do I have in store? Yes. So, this month for our, I'm going to crop this out. Hello, and thank you for joining me today. My name is Wendy Lee, and you can find me at CreativeLeeYours.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in the US and excited that you're joining me today for a little bit of a sneak peek. So this month for our Cultivated Creativity DIY paper crafting kit, we are featuring the amazing Winterly Treetops bundle. So this is a beautiful stamp set and die bundle by Stampin' Up. And we love this one, right? Love this one, love this one. So it's got a wintry feel to it, but you can also really use it all year long. So what our DIY paper crafting kits are is we curate a selection of products that we think go really well together and design 5 projects for you, 4 cards and 1 not a card every single month. And then we package this all up. We cut it all up for you, package it beautifully, and ship it right to you so that you have all the creative fun, right? You get to get right to the crafty fun part of it. So I do a PDF tutorial. So you've got large pictures, you've got lots of details. And then I also do an overview video so that I will take you through the cards to give you any tips and tricks that will be fun and exciting to learn, right? So this month with this stamp set, we are also focusing a little bit on our watercolor pencils. So that is the medium that we'll be using to color and do some different coloring techniques on our projects. Now, you do not have to use watercolor pencils. You can color with whatever you have at home. So that's entirely up to you. And of course, you don't have to have the featured stamp and die bundle. You can use something else in your crafty stash. But I do offer an add-on, so you can add that on and save a little bit of money. All right, you want to see a sneak peek of the projects? Yay, yay, yay. All right, I'm not going to show you the insides. We do our insides. We feel like bringing the design to the inside is super important. Share that love, right? But I'll save that for our guests that are participating, but I'll let you see a sneak peek of the outside. So here's one, a fun little window pane card. Love, 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 love. Now this one's a little bit of a fun fold. Love that, love that. And we've got a little not a card treat. And of course, we give the treats as well, right? So you don't get an empty container ever, right? Bringing in the fall. Now, this one's a gift card holder. Again, I'm not going to show you the fabulous insides, right? And then this one is another fun fold card. Oh, so much fun. So we're really featuring those birds and all those great prints in our designer series paper. Stampin' Up! Has the best designer series paper, in my opinion, but you know. So I hope that you enjoy. I hope that you will. I hope that you will join us for this month's Cultivated Creativity DIY paper crafting kit. You can see details on my website, CreativeLeeYours.com, and I'll put a link below in the video. Thanks. Bye for now.